Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'm going to be doing a pizza pan craft. So I started by taking the pizza pan and sanding it so the paint sticks better. Used mineral chalk paint, and I did one coat on the front, one coat on the back, and I did a couple coats on the edge. After that was dry, I took a super jumbo craft stick and put it on the edge and just marked off lines. So I used the craft stick just for a guide for my lines and to get my spacing just about the same. And I did that all the way around. Next, I took some black chalk paint and filled in every other little section I made, and I did one coat of that all the way around. And then I took this bumblebee burlap fabric I get from Dollar Tree, held it on the inside of the pizza pan, and marked out my line with a Sharpie and cut that out. And then on the center of the pizza pan, I added a generous layer of Mod Podge. I placed down my fabric and then used my heating tool to heat it up and push down the fabric just so it sticks and is completely dry. And then I took some Nautical rope from Dollar Tree and hot glued that all around the fabric. And then I took these two wood slices that I got from Hobby Lobby. One is a little larger than the other. I painted one of them on one side with black chalk paint, and the other one I used a yellow acrylic paint. Once the yellow one was completely dry, I took some painter's tape and marked off little sections and filled in lines with the black chalk paint. Next, I took the nautical rope and made like a figure 8 out of it and cut off the excess. Once I had my shape down, I just took the two ends of that piece I cut, hot glued it together, and then in the center where I had glued it, I just pinched it and hot glued the center together to create that figure 8 shape. And then I had this doily napkin from Dollar Tree, and I coffee stained it and hot glued one end of that figure 8 onto the doily and cut out that piece. And then I did the same thing to the other end. And I did make two of those. One was a little bit smaller than this one. Next, I added on some twine, hot glued it to the back, and then just wrapped it around a few times. And I did that to both of those that I made. Next, I took the wood round pieces that I had painted, hot glued them to the center of the pizza pan, kind of at an angle, and then took my 2 little nautical rope wings and hot glued them to the center of the bee. And then I took some wire and wrapped it around the paintbrush handle a few times and then cut a piece down. These are the antennas. So I'm just getting the shape down, and then I will hot glue them to the top of the bumblebee head. Next, I need to make a bow. So I'm taking this ribbon, and it's 2.5 inches, and I cut it in half, each of them. So it's 2 pieces of ribbon cut down, so I'll have 4 pieces of each. Then I took this raffia and made a couple bunches of that. And then I take each piece of ribbon one at a time. I pinch the center of it and then hold it in my hand, keeping it nice and pinched. And I make like an X shape in my hand, alternating different fabrics and raffia until it's completely filled in. Once I have it filled in, I take a piece of twine, wrap it around the center where I was holding it, and tie it nice and tight. And then I flip it back over and trim up all the pieces of ribbon that are too long, just to make sure they all sort of match. And I take the pieces of ribbon and separate them and pull them up towards the front. Then I need to make a hanger, so I added some more nautical rope on the back with hot glue. And then I took a couple pieces of the fabric that I used from the front and just hot glued that right over the nautical rope. And then I take some boxwood and a couple little pieces of floral. I don't know exactly where I got it, but the boxwood came from Walmart. I put the bunch together and used some floral tape to hold it together in the center. So I'm just hot gluing one piece. So once I have that together, I hot glue it to the top right below the hanger, and then I hot glue the bow right on top of that. And that's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.